When I became plant-based 11 years ago, I did not care what people ate. I was happy with my salad and my smoothie, and I let people eat whatever. It really didn't bother me at all. And I just couldn't believe what everyone else was eating. My friends and family, especially, they're people I love very much, and they were eating things that I knew to be horribly, horribly wrong. No one was becoming vegan. No one cared what I had to say because of the way I was saying it, and it left me feeling really exhausted and isolated. I stopped caring about my friends and family becoming vegan. Of course, I wanted people to become vegan in the way that I want the whole world to become vegan, but it was less about my particular loved ones in my life. And then the craziest thing happened. As soon as I stopped caring, people in my life started to become vegan. So here are a few pointers for you if you desperately want your loved ones to become vegan. No one is going to become vegan unless they want to. If you keep trying to convince them, it will not be their decision. Stop acting like you're better than them, be kind in your interactions, and stop calling people names. If someone called you a name, would you listen to their advice about changing your lifestyle? Probably not. If someone makes fun of you because of your lifestyle choices, don't be defensive. Be gracious, even laugh about it. It'll show people how secure you are in your decisions about your lifestyle, that you don't need anyone else's validation. When your loved ones have questions about veganism, answer them. Yes, answer them happily, give them as much information as you can. I've made it a personal rule for myself that I will not, under any circumstance, bring up veganism unless my friends or my family do first. If you're into that super duper hippy dippy weirdo stuff that's normally associated with veganism, that's great, go for it, but possibly try to save it for the friends who get it. Don't make your food seem like such a big burden, like it's such a big sacrifice in your lifestyle. Eat normal stuff around them, like an apple for a snack, or pasta for dinner, or a sandwich for lunch. Almost every single person who is vegan today at one time was not. You didn't always think this way. You used to say, I could never be vegan. And so doing this daily should really help you to stop being judgmental and stop being pushy, because the more you push them away. Look good, feel great, be passionate, be the kind of person other people want to be around. Obviously, there's no point in trying to be perfect, but be better today than you were yesterday. It's especially powerful if your friends and family can see the transformation you went through from being not vegan to being vegan now. When you bring food around friends and family, it should look and smell so good to them that they want to bite and they want to abandon what's on their plate. Make sure you test recipes before you share them with friends and family, because there are some recipes that maybe will fall flat a little bit. But if you bring consistently really good food, especially desserts, it will really help people stop and consider what they're eating. It is not your responsibility to make every single person in the world vegan. In fact, I would argue it's not your responsibility to make one person in your life vegan. Even if you are a vegan activist and you spend your time leafleting and making activism videos, I think that's incredible. Just try to leave it at the door when it comes to your family. This has been my experience. Loved ones, family, and friends, they just don't respond to activism the way strangers do. The reason No one likes to be told what to do by someone they love. Since I have been doing these things, so many people in my life have become vegan and even become vegan curious. It's hilarious and amazing. The more I let go, the more it happens. Of course, there are those few and incredible people who have a vegan in their family who does push it on them and does give them one look and say, do you know what's on your plate? And they instantly become vegan, and that's amazing. I just don't think that's typical, and it shouldn't be expected when you're dealing with family and friends. And I think a good social media post every once in a while is a great way to make people stop and think and consider the way we view animals. But it's the constant barrage of vegan truth bombs over and over and over that has the opposite effect. So, what do I think we should do instead of forcing everyone and their uncle to sit down and watch Earthlings with us? Focus on improving yourself and on loving your friends and family unconditionally. And show them that vegan really is love.